Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss, especially we'll focus on conversion of units. Okay. So before that, we need to understand various units. Like these are the units. It's written already: kilo, hecto, deca, meter. Or here, in case of measurement of weight, you can say gram is being used, and liter in case of measurement of liquids. Okay. And deci, centi, milli, these are the short form of those units. आप किलोग्राम भी कर सकते हो, किलोमीटर भी कर सकते हो, किलो लीटर भी कर सकते हो. Like that way, किलो, हेक्टो, डेका, ग्राम, डेसी, सेंटीमिली. Like that way, you can remember the order of this unit. Okay. So from this part, we'll do the calculation of unit conversion. So first of all, we need to understand this is the standard unit which we take. Means this is the commonly used unit. That's why we take this one as the standard unit. बिकॉज यू कैन रिलेट दिस यूनिट विद द अदर यूनिट. जैसे कि मेजरमेंट ऑफ लेंथ के केस में मीटर वी कैन इमेजिन 1 मीटर इज हाउ मच, एंड वी कैन रिलेट दिस थिंग टू द अदर यूनिट्स. ओके. So what is the relation between these units? Suppose meter, I think all of we know, we have seen that meter rod, or we can imagine 1 meter length. So the decameter is 10 time of 1 meter. It's 10 time of 1 meter. And hectometer is 100 time of this 1 meter. Okay. And this kilometer is 1000 time of दिस 1 मीटर. सो ये 10 गुना ज़्यादा होता जा रहा है. डेकामीटर जो है 10 गुना ज़्यादा है. ये जब हेक्टोमीटर में जाता है 10 into 10 it becomes 100, and it when it's come to in case of kilometer it's become 10 into 10 into 10 1000 guna. And in case of decimeter, if you will come, this is the decimeter is a 1/10 part of this meter. 1/10 part of this meter. Okay, you can mention it in word also. And centimeter is 1/100th part of this meter. Okay, 100. Now millimeter is 1/1000th part of this meter. So this is the relation among these units. Now we'll focus on conversion of higher unit to lower unit. So before that, we need to understand what do you understand by higher unit and what do you understand by lower unit. So these are the highest unit among these 7. सो किलो जो है, किलोमीटर, ये सबसे बड़ा यूनिट है. उसके बाद उससे छोटा हेक्टोमीटर. देन आफ्टर दैट डेकामीटर इज द स्मॉलर वन, देन हेक्टोमीटर. देन आफ्टर दैट मीटर इज द स्मॉलर वन. आफ्टर मीटर डेसीमीटर इज द स्मॉलर वन. Then after decimeter, centimeter is smaller than decimeter, and here millimeter is the smallest one among these things. So right में जो बड़े यूनिट्स हैं, किलोमीटर, हेक्टोमीटर, ये बड़े यूनिट्स हैं. और राइट से जितना आप लेफ्ट से राइट को जाता है, then it's become smaller units. और when in this question you are converting from larger unit to smaller unit, जब आप बड़े यूनिट से छोटे यूनिट को कन्वर्ट कर रहे हो, how many steps you are going? You can multiply 10 in each step. This is the method which you can use. Okay, let's do some question answer, then it will be got more clear. So one question, simple question is that 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? So first of all, what you can do, you can find both of these columns. Here this one is the kilometers column, this one is the meters column. So in case of kilometers column, we have the number 1, so you can simply write 1 in case of this column. And after that, what you can do, you can just put 0 until you are not getting that meters column. Here we had got meters column, so this is the result which we got, 1000 meter. This is the answer. This is one of the way what you can follow. What is the other way? You can follow how many steps is moving towards right. पहले एक स्टेप यहाँ गया, हेक्टोमीटर में पहुँच गया, तो आप 10 मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. देन वन स्टेप मोर, अगेन मल्टीप्लाई 10. देन वन स्टेप मोर, अगेन मल्टीप्लाई 10. So when you multiply 10 for 3 times, then also you will get the same answer, that is 1000. Let's do one more question. So this is the another question, 1 kilometer is equal to how much millimeter? Okay, so again among these two methods, so whatever is suitable for you, you can follow that one. First of all, you'll write this number, whatever number is there, in kilometers column. So here only 1 is there, so you can simply write 1 here. And after that, you have to read still millimeters column, so you can put 0 0 0 0 0 till that column, and you will get the answer. So this is the answer which you got, 1 After 1, 60 will be there. So like this way you can find the answer. Remember one more thing, if here 21 has been written, suppose 21 kilometer has been written, at that time you will take only the digit in ones place to that kilometers column, and 2 will go to the column before that. ओके, 2 विल गो टू द कॉलम बिफोर दैट. यहाँ पे कोई और कॉलम नहीं है, बट इस टाइप के केस में आप बस वंस के प्लेस में जो है दैट वन यू विल टेक टू दैट कॉलम ओनली. ओके, you can follow the other method also. Here you can multiply 10 for each step to write here 10, here it's 10, then here it's one more time tens, here it's one more time tens, here it's one more time tens, here it's one more time 10. So you need to multiply 10 for 6 times, so 60 will come. Simple. Let's do one more question. Suppose here it's the question, 1 decameter is equal to how many decimeters? Remember this thing, DA stand for deca, DM stand for decimeter. So in this case again, first of all find out both of this column. This one is the decameters column, this one is the decimeters column, and here in the question we have the number 1, so you can simply write 1 in case of decameter, and after that you need to reach till which column? Decimeters column. So this is the number which we got, 100 will be the answer. Otherwise you can follow the next way also, you can go step by step. This is the first step, next step, so you can multiply 10 and 10. So 10 into 10 will be also 100. Suppose in this question it's written that 321 decameter. Okay, 321 decameter. At that time what you will do, you will take only the digit in ones place to the decameters place. Okay, वंस के प्लेस में जो डिजिट है वो आप डेकामीटर्स के कॉलम में ले जाओगे. उसके बाद उससे पहले जो डिजिट्स है, लाइक हियर 2 and 3 is there, you will put these digits on the previous column. 2 will be kept in hectometer and 3 will be kept in kilometers place. Like this way you will be able to convert various units. So ऐसे ही आपको अरेंज करना है. ठीक है. Now let's do some trickier question. So this is the question, 4.02 decameter. So as I had already told you, and one more thing to be remember, whenever you are finding these dots or point, इस तरह के पॉइंट जो मिल रहे हैं, जो भी डिजिट्स पॉइंट से पहले हैं, only that digit stand for this unit, means that digit is for this unit. अभी जैसे कि डॉट से पहले 4 ही है, तो डेकामीटर्स की यूनिट पे कौन सा डिजिट रहेगा? बस 4 ही रहेगा. ठीक है. So you can simply write 4 here in case of decameters place. After that 0 is there, so you can put 0 in the next column. Then 2 is there, then you can put 2 in next column. And we need to reach till decimeter in the first part. So I think we had already reached till decimeter. So this is the number which we got, that 402. That will be the answer, 402 decimeter. And when you are converting till meter part, means we are converting till here, meters part only. Till meter which number we had? Till meter which number we had? We had only 40. 2 is in the decimeters part, so we can write 40. After 40 you can put a dot and 2, because 2 is in decimeters part. We need to reach till meters part. meters के पार्ट तक जितने भी नंबर्स होंगे उनको हम ऐसे लिख देंगे. उसके बाद पॉइंट के बाद बाकी जो भी डिजिट्स हैं उनको हम पॉइंट के बाद लिखेंगे. लाइक दिस वे यू कैन डू दिस वन. ओके, let's do one more question. So this is a huge number, you can see 32.027 kilometer. You need to convert this into hectometer and decameter. So first of all, as I had told you, पॉइंट से पहले जो नंबर है वो इस यूनिट के लिए डिनोट करता है. सपोज हियर 32 इज देयर, सो फॉर किलोमीटर ओनली 32 इज डिनोटिंग फॉर किलोमीटर, मींस 32 किलोमीटर इज देयर. सो इसको जब भी आप इस टेबल में रिप्रेजेंट करोगे, रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, फर्स्ट पुट दिस डिजिट इन वंस प्लेस इन किलोमीटर्स प्लेस. वंस के प्लेस में जो भी डिजिट है उसको आप किलोमीटर्स के प्लेस में लिख दोगे, क्योंकि ये किलोमीटर्स का यूनिट है. एंड द अदर डिजिट विल गो टू द प्रीवियस कॉलम. कोई कॉलम यहाँ पे है नहीं, फिर भी आप उससे पहले लिख दोगे. ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट यू विल पुट ईच डिजिट इन ईच कॉलम. 0 विल कम हियर, then 2 will come here, then 7 will come here. Now let's find out we are converting to which unit. We are converting it to hectometer. Now let's find out hectometer here. This one is the hectometer column. So till hectometers column whatever number we have, so till hectometers column हमारे पास कौन सा नंबर है? 320. This one is the number 320. So you can simply write 320 and put a dot After that, whatever digit is there, 2 and 7, you can write it here, 320, 2 and 7 hectometer. Okay. After that, we need to convert it as in decameters also. Here what you will do, we will go till decameters part. हम कहाँ तक जाएंगे? डेकामीटर्स तक. और so here what you will write, 3202, because we will write till this part only, decameters part, इतने तक जितने numbers हैं. After that we will put a dot, and whatever digit has left or whatever number has left, you can put after this dot. So here, like this way, we will be able to convert from larger unit to smaller unit. I think we had practiced very few questions. As much as you will practice, your doubt will be got cleared, and जितना आप practice करोगे उतना ही accuracy आपकी बढ़ती जाएगी. Okay, so for this video we'll discuss that this much, means for the conversion of higher unit to lower unit, and in the next video we'll discuss about conversion of lower unit to higher unit, because that is a little bit trickier one that needs some importance. That's why we will discuss about conversion from smaller unit to larger unit in the next video. Okay, thank you.